What is going on, everyone? I'm Adriano, and this tutorial is about how to convert a single column in a CSV file like you see here to a Python dictionary that contains a list of all the values. We will be converting the animal column, which contains names of animals. Our final result should look something like this. We will then search our column to see if the specific value exists in a column in the newly created Python dictionary. All right, so the first step here is to import the CSV module in Python. So I'm just going to do import CSV. Now we want to assign a variable to the file that we want to read in, which is a CSV. So I've already went ahead to do this, but I'm passing in the name to this variable called animal CSV, and this is the full directory, including the name of the file and the extension of .csv. Now we can go ahead and open this file in Python. So we're going to do with open now the file variable animal_CSV, and we're going to pass an encoding equal to utf.8.sig just to make sure it gets interpreted correctly in Python. And now we're going to open it as CSV file as our variable. So now we're going to create a variable called reader, which is going to create the dictionary object from our DictReader method. So now what we're going to do is say reader is equal to csv.DictReader, and we're going to now pass that CSV file variable. You want to use the DictReader method because it already does the work to convert it into a dictionary, so we're already halfway there. Now what I'm going to do is create a new dictionary. I'm going to call it animal call, and I'm going to make it equal to animal, and this is going to be the new key in my dictionary. And now we're going to pass it an empty list. And now we're going to go through each and every record and assign it to this list part of the animal key. So we're going to do for record in reader. Now before we append it, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So if we just print our record. And now as you can see here, I have a dictionary for every single row coming through in my file. So now we can append every animal value to our newly created dictionary in this list over here. So what we're going to do is animal call, which is our newly created dictionary, and we're going to assign it to the animal key, append, and then it's going to be record, and now the value of animal. So now we have our newly created animal dictionary. So now if we print this entire dictionary, so I'm just going to do print animal column. We now see we have our key being animal, and now we have a list of every single record from our CSV is incorporated into this dictionary. So now if I wanted to search this entire list, for example, to see if an animal exists, I can do the name of the animal, which I'm interested in. So pine squirrel in animal call. Remember, this is the key that I'm searching now, which is animal. And if it exists, we should get true. There you go. So somewhere in my list, we have the pine squirrel is one of the animals that I've captured. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful and you now know how to bring in a single Python column from a CSV and convert it into a dictionary that has a list of all the values. Thanks so much for watching, and if you think this video is helpful for others, please like this video and please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on my next video. See you next time.